Dr. Girl, what are you up to next? Where is your research and your work taking you?
Thank you for that question. I am always eager to and on the regular talking with youth leaders and parents and guardians of young people about how to navigate the new media landscape and our lives, period, in ways that help us to live well. And that's in all dimensions of our lives. My new book is called Braving Difficult Decisions: What to Do When You Don't Know What to Do.
Mm.
It is available for pre-order right now. It comes out, releases in March 2025. And it is my hope that it will help parents and guardians of young people to help them to figure out a way to hear from God when they're feeling stuck. And then also, I mean, families can use it together. But also, if you're an adult, listening to this conversation and you're thinking, I have a hard decision to make. Should I go? Should I stay? Should I start my own business? What about this relationship? What about this family situation? What about the fact that like I'm 41 as I am right now, and I'm trying to figure out how to feel more awake in my life? Whatever the big question is that's weighing on you that you're really trying to hear from God about, or you're trying to help young people to hear from God. I think a lot of people ask themselves, how do I know if it's God or is it me? Am I being rational about this or too emotional about it? All these sorts of things. This book is a guide. Every single chapter is something that you can do in the midst of the waiting and trying to hear from God. And it's based on different discernment methods throughout history, everybody from Ignatius to Dorothy Bass's work that's more current. But then also it integrates stories of people throughout history who've made difficult decisions. And so, yeah, it's available now, but also on my website, www.angelagorel.com, which has two R's and two L's. You can get a free guide of resources that you could utilize with your household, with young people. And so you can go put in your email and you'll get the PDF of resources from me. And that's what I'm working on right now is sharing this book with people, talking about what it means to be brave. How do we make hard decisions? How do we hear from God? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Discernment is such an important and challenging thing to engage with.
Mm.
So I'm thrilled to hear about this resource. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Girl, thank you very much.